How would you like your own personal technician? I'm talking about a guy that can work around a computer like it's nobody's business. You want to talk to us? Because we can provide you the service that you need at a reliable, cheap price just for you. Especially if you're on our membership plan. We deal with PlayStation, Xbox, and many different types of computing devices like laptops and desktops. We have experienced professionals that will be able to give you a benefit of a good deal by having great service. Also, we'll be able to cut your prices up to 50%. Now tell me that's not a good deal. That's definitely a good deal. You should swing by, we should talk over Facebook Messenger if you like, and we'll get things started from there. Have a good day. Exit.